Hey everybody! HomePods are great home speakers, whether it's a HomePod mini in your bedroom or a stereo pair in your living room. They deliver rich sound and a decent smart home experience. In this video, I'm going to go over some of the most popular options and settings so you can get the most out of your HomePods. Let's get to it! The first setting that I find most people are surprised to learn about is that you can change Siri's voice. There's a wide variety of nationalities and voices to choose from. To test out the various options, open the Home app on your iPhone, then tap your HomePod. Then scroll down to the settings gear in the bottom right and tap it. Now scroll down and tap Siri Voice. Here's where all the options will be displayed. The standard, where I am, is American Voice 4, but there's lots to choose from. Give it a try to see which voice you like best. Ever find your HomePods are too bassy? Whether you're listening to music late at night or just prefer less bass in your sound, there is an option to reduce the bass on your HomePods. I personally use this when I have late night parties so we don't disturb the neighbors. Open the Home app on your iPhone and tap the desired HomePod or HomePod stereo pair. Then scroll down to the settings gear in the bottom right and tap it. Then scroll down to reduce bass and slide the switch on. Give it a try. Some people prefer the sound with this option on all the time. The next HomePod feature I'd like to discuss is the new HomePod sound recognition feature. According to Apple, with sound recognition turned on, it will notify you when an alarm sound is detected in your home. Your HomePod will continuously listen for certain sounds using on-device intelligence. It will notify you when sounds may be recognized. To turn this feature on, go to the HomePod settings, the same as discussed before, and scroll down and tap Sound Recognition. Then slide it on. You can also decide whether you want all your HomePods to have it on or not beneath. Now if it recognizes a smoke or CO2 alarm, you'll get a notification. I think this is a great safety feature and recommend turning it on. Do you have a HomePod stereo pair and ever notice just how one HomePod answers any Siri requests? You ever wanted to change which one answers Siri requests? It's actually really simple. Go over to the HomePod you'd like to have answer your Siri requests all the time and use the touch and hold method to make a Siri request. Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 2:01 p.m.
Now moving forward, every time you make a Siri request with that stereo pair, that HomePod will answer. And lastly, I'd like to discuss what to do if you have Wi-Fi signal issues with your HomePods. Once in a while, I've noticed my HomePods have issues connecting to the internet, or my HomePod stereo pair audio drops out every so often when using them with my Apple TV. Oftentimes, a simple restart will resolve these issues. To restart your HomePod, just go to the HomePod's settings as mentioned earlier, then scroll down to the bottom and choose Restart HomePod. It will often take a minute or two for them to restart. Once restarted, I found the issue resolved most of the time. However, if you consistently have issues with your HomePods, you may need to reset your HomePod to factory settings. If you'd like to learn how to do that, check out my video, How to Reset HomePod or HomePod Mini, in the iCard above or description below. How do you get the most out of your HomePods? Any tips you'd like to share with the world? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more tech videos, including tech how-tos. See you in the next one.